Hello, my name is Ben Doolin, and today I will be going over issues in accounting. What is accounting? Accounting is the process of recording all financial records. Why is this important, you ask? Well, accounting provides crucial information for decision making. Without it, businesses wouldn't know their profitability, understand their financial health, or be able to comply with legal requirements. At the heart of accounting is bookkeeping, which involves recording daily transactions, everything from sales and purchases to expenses and incomes. These records are meticulously kept and regularly summarized in the financial statements. These statements include the income statement, which tells you if a business made a profit, the balance sheet, which gives you a snapshot of the company's assets and liabilities at any given time, and the cash flow statement, which shows how much cash is moving in and out of the business. Accountants use these documents to paint a detailed picture of financial standing. From there, managers and executives can strategize on where to cut costs or where to invest more. Accounting isn't just for the number crunchers or large corporations. Everyone from small shop owners to managers of multinational corporations relies on accurate accounting to steer their course. One of the bigger issues facing accounting today is the stigmas of accountants. Accountants are perceived as being boring. First, let's tackle that. Accountants play key roles in exciting industries from entertainment to sports, shaping financial strategies that drive success. They're the unsung heroes ensuring financial health and innovation. Not so boring when you think about the impact, right? Then moving on to introverted. Sure, the job requires focus, but accountants are also master communicators and collaborators. Whether they're negotiating deals or explaining financial strategies, accountants thrive on interaction. Every day involves teamwork and client interactions. It's all about building relationships and trust. And having no life, let's dispel that right now. Accountants are as diverse as any other profession. They travel, indulge in hobbies, and yes, they do take vacations. So as you can see, accountants defy the dull stereotypes. They're vital to business innovation and have rich, varied lives beyond the balance sheets. Another issue facing the accounting field is a lack of new accountants. Recent stats show a noticeable decline in accounting graduates, and with businesses growing globally, the need for skilled accountants is higher than ever. So, what's stopping young professionals? There's a lack of new accountants, possibly due to how accountants are perceived. So, there's the perception problem. As we talked about earlier, many people see accounting as a dull field filled with number crunching and little else. But the reality is far from it. Today's accountants are pivotal in strategic planning and often hold exciting roles in everything from forensic investigations to consulting on popular TV shows. Another reason why there's a lack of new accountants is it's a hard field to pursue. No one is denying that accounting is a hard field. It's complex and can be challenging. The field demands a strong foundation and not just numbers, but also laws, regulations, and business operations. However, this complexity also makes it a rewarding career filled with opportunities for those who love a challenge. And finally, the intimidating requirements to even become an accountant. Becoming a certified accountant involves rigorous exams and continued education. It's a commitment requiring continuous learning and staying updated with the latest financial regulations and technologies. So, what can be done to encourage more to enter the field? Perhaps starting with demystifying what accountants really do and promoting the diverse careers within accounting could help as well. Accounting is dynamic and vital. and it's time we rethink how we perceive and talk about this essential profession. Another issue that faces accountants are the long work hours in accounting. Accountants tend to work about 50 hours a week on average. It's But come tax season, these hours can skyrocket. Tax season, it can be 70 hours. It's a different beast altogether. For those that don't know, this is typically from January to April, when accountants are finalizing returns and making sure their clients are in good shape before deadlines hit. During these months, it's not uncommon for accountants to work 70 hours. That includes evenings and weekends. So why the long hours? Well, the workload dramatically increases. Accountants must ensure accuracy and compliance for their clients dealing with complex tax laws that can change year to year. Imagine juggling dozens of clients, each with unique needs and tons of paperwork, all while keeping up with the latest tax regulations. It's no small feat. But it's not just tax season. The regular work week isn't exactly a walk in the park either. Preparation, ongoing consultations, audits, and financial planning all add up, keeping accountants on their toes year round. Now finally, the last issue I will be going over today is AI. AI is everywhere, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants, and now it's making significant inroads into accounting. But what does this mean for human accounting? First, let's talk layoffs. AI's ability to automate complex calculations, data entry, and even error detection has streamlined many traditional accounting tasks. With machines handling routine tasks faster and more accurately, firms are indeed reshaping their workforce, which has resulted in layoffs, particularly at the entry level. Which brings us to our next point, the barrier to entry. As AI takes over basic tasks, the role of an accountant is evolving. It's no longer enough to be great with numbers. Now, there's a higher technical threshold. Modern accountants need to be proficient in AI and data analytics tools. This means more advanced education and training, increasing the barrier of entry into the field. And perhaps the most intriguing aspect, can AI completely replace accountants? To some extent, yes. AI can handle many traditional accounting tasks, but there's more to accounting than just crunching numbers. Accountants play a crucial role in strategic decision making, understanding complex regulations, and upholding ethical standards. These areas still require the human touch. So, what's the future of accounting in the age of AI? It seems clear that AI will continue to reshape the profession, not necessarily displacing accountants, but pushing them toward more advisory and analytical roles.